Hi guys, how are you? Hope you will be fine. So today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can install VPN Unlimited on your Amazon Firestick device. So this VPN is officially available on Amazon Firestick App Store. If you want to download VPN Unlimited on your Amazon Firestick device, you don't need to jailbreak on Firestick. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to click on search icon above the menu and type here VPN Unlimited. When you type VPN and the suggestion below VPN Unlimited, so scroll down and click on, and here as you can see blue color VPN Unlimited app, so click on. Now click on download button. So here as you can see VPN Unlimited has been installed on our Amazon Firestick device. Now you open VPN from here and also from home. So after installing VPN, go back to home screen by pressing remote home button. And here again press remote home button for 3 seconds. Now click on apps, it means applications. And here as you can see all application that is installed on Firestick. If you want to open VPN, then scroll down and you will find a VPN. So here is the VPN icon, click on. So if you have VPN account, then click on sign in button below, and you don't have VPN account, then create your VPN account then after sign in. So you can use this method to download VPN Ultimate on your Amazon Firestick device. And I hope this video was really helpful for you, and please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any question then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.